In a world where time is precious and the demands of life and business never seem to slow down, we have a game-changing solution for you. Imagine having a personal assistant at your service 24/7, handling your business needs while you focus on what matters most. Whether you're sleeping, shopping, spending time with family, or working a 9-to-5 job, your personal assistant is hard at work for you. Say goodbye to the overwhelming chaos of managing it all on your own. Our 24-hour personal assistant is here to help. For just $99 a month, you can free up your time and ensure that no opportunity slips through the cracks. What can your personal assistant do for you? Everything. Answer FAQs, book appointments, follow up on leads, provide links, send confirmations, and even request reviews automatically. It's time to be effective without the stress. Let us handle the details so you can focus on the big picture. Still not enough time in a day? We've got you covered. Never miss a call, stay organized, and let your personal assistant work tirelessly for you. Ready to reclaim your time and supercharge your productivity? Call 844-798-0330 to begin this exciting journey of getting back your time without missing a beat in business. Your 24-hour personal assistant is just a call away. Take the first step towards a more organized, stress-free life. Let us handle the details so you can focus on what truly matters. Call now. Visit www.empiremediagroup.site for more information. Subscribe to our channel for more time-saving tips and business solutions. Your success starts here.